Welcome! In today's video, we're going to show you how to view all the shared PDFs in your Telegram app on PC. With the latest update, accessing important documents has never been easier. Let's get right into it. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all your chats and files. Once you're in, locate the chat where you want to view shared PDFs. Click on that chat to open the conversation. This will direct you to all the messages exchanged in that particular chat. Now that you're in the chat, look at the top of the screen for the chat name. Click on the chat name to bring up the chat information page. This area gives you access to various settings and shared media. Next, you'll see an option labeled Files. Click on this to view all the documents that have been shared in the chat. This section is where you'll find PDFs, images, and other file types that have been sent back and forth. Finally, browse through the list of files displayed. You can click on any PDF to view it directly or download it for offline access. This makes it simple to manage all your important documents in one place. And that's all there is to it. You can now easily access all shared PDFs in your Telegram app on PC. Enjoy organizing and viewing your documents.